I still can't believe it's up to 41. Hey guys, and what's up? Welcome back. So, I promised you all an update video about the winter storm, which has now been dubbed Fern. We are currently in the 40s and rain. Like, for real, for real. Like, I'm not even bullshitting. It's raining. Ah! My pants got hung. Okay, lots of snow, got some ice, but it's raining. Like, seriously, like, streaming from the roof's raining. Wish I got my phone out sooner when it was actually hailing. There's like some massive ass hail balls. Guys, look at this. It's snow with a layer of ice. Oh shit. Well, we didn't fully dodge a bullet. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to show you this. Like, the whole top layer is ice. It's not fun. But I'm also gonna have to keep it kind of slightly covered by my coat because it's admitted. Technology and water. Oh shit, that was slick. See, look. This is fucking ice. This is slick. This is hell. This is positively hell for the uncoordinated. Fuck. Oh, fuck. That's solid ice. Fuck. Look at that. Solid ice. Oh, fuck my life. Fuck a duck. Fuck. Oh, this is hell. This is hell. So, yeah, I thought we dodged a bullet with ice, but no. We got this thin ass layer of bitch ice. And then we got like mud puddles. Thin ass. Look at that. Layer of smushy, whooshy ice. Oh, okay, this is a nightmare. This is a nightmare. Okay, yeah, this is slick. Trying to follow the cat's paw prints where it's not so bad. Is that sad? I'm sorry if I'm jiggling you guys a lot because I'm trying to keep water off of my phone. Okay, let's see if I can scooch you guys in my sleeve real quick. Here, give a good look at my hand for a moment. There. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's slick. This shit is slick. Look at that. This is like... I'm not even kidding. It's like solid ass ice. Oh, this is a nightmare. I'm not even kidding, y'all. This is an absolute goddamn nightmare. But yeah, this is what I'm working with. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not even kidding. This is solid ice. It looks like snow. There's no snow. There is ice. Lots and lots of ice. Oh, sweet gods, I don't like this. Oh, hello, Slush. I missed you. What I thought was snow, that's not snow at all. Oh, it's all solid ice. Oh, gods, help me on this. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to film it until I'm actually working because what looks like snow is not snow. It is solid ice. It's slick. It's hell. So I will keep you guys updated. But so far, Winter Storm Fern is proving her namesake. She's proven she deserved a name. So far it's not on the trees or lines, thank God for that, but who knows how long that'll last. Alright, well, I better get to feeding the doggos. Wish me luck, y'all. Just gonna show you guys this, how thick this ice is. That is solid sheet ice. This is literally how thick. Kind of glad it's not like on the lines or the trees. That would have ended bad. Okay, I'm inside the coal house now, but what I thought was just snow, and I was going to happily tell y'all, yeah, it was mostly just snow. No. The yard's a solid sheet of ice, and I would say it is at least an inch or a half inch. It's like a 1/4 inch thick, I would say. My guess would be a 1/4 inch. Oh, so bad. So like if I'm not recording a lot while I'm out here, it's because I physically can't. Because I am having to try my best to keep my balance, because it is slick. It is like really, really slick. Like, I'm not even kidding. You can tell from my footprints there, it's all ice. Everything is ice. All of that. That I thought was snow is solid ice. As you can tell, it's windy. But as far as I can see, there's nothing on the line or on the trees whatsoever. So that's a blessing. At least it means we might get to keep power. Gotta get some wood. Whole reason I actually stepped up in here was to get some damn wood. But shit, it's all wet. Everything is wet. I don't know. It's still burned. Just needs to dry out. It'll be dry by morning when we'll need it. I'm done, y'all. If I am not showing you a lot of like live view right now, like outside, it's because I can't stand hardly myself, and I'm trying my best to keep my own balance. So I'm keeping my health as priority. Can't borrow or the fall and break something. So yeah, this is day 2 of Winter Storm. Turns out I found out through Facebook they named it Fern. Winter Storm Fern is definitely deserved a name. It's deserved it. It's earned its right. Trying to get some wood out. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Well, looks like we got a little stream of water coming out from the ground. On that note, I'm gonna end this video here, and I will catch you all tomorrow with another update. Heat on how the weather conditions are. Well then, see ya.